Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about DECONSTRUCT 0.2% retinol plus 1% peptide serum. What are the different ingredients present in it and is it worth purchasing this product? Looking at the formulation, it is excellent for the skin of color. With the darker skin tone, people can also use it, and also it is good for Caucasian skin. I was going through the ingredient list and I was carefully observing all the proper details of the ingredients, and I really like the formulation. Before we jump into the ingredient list, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, also vlogs, as well as drawing videos. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like this video, also subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. The first ingredient is water. Following to that, there is rose water. Rose water is excellent with antioxidant properties. It helps to reduce the fine lines and it helps with the hydration of the skin. Then there is a very innovative ingredient, that is pea extract. Now pea extract is also high in antioxidant properties. It has shown to improve the hydration on the skin when studied in the different human trials. Then there is pentylene glycol. It is a texture enhancer, helps with the penetration of different active ingredients into the deeper layers of the skin. It also acts as a humectant, which is one of the good properties of the ingredients. When it is all-rounder ingredient, it is targeting different types of skin type and also helping the active ingredient to penetrate into the skin. Then there is 1% proteacyl peptide. Now what does a peptide do? Okay, peptides are like chain of amino acids. They are all together. Sometimes there are like 5 chain of amino acid, 6 chain of amino acid. So peptides actually are the ingredients which go to the layer where the collagen and fibroblast is present. And then it helps with the production of collagen as well as fibroblast. These two are like collagen and fibroblast. They help to give a rigid shape to the skin. So when there is less amount of collagen, then the skin starts to show the early aging symptoms, that is like fine lines, wrinkles, dropped and dull skin. The skin doesn't seem healthy. There is no water retention. So peptides help to produce that collagen in the skin and also build up that fibroblast that can improve the hydration and also give a proper rigid shape. Then there is 0.2% of retinol. Now retinol is the adequate amount of concentration here. Usually for skin of color, dry skin types, higher percent of retinol can be alarming as it can lead to redness and extremely dry skin. So 0.2% is a fraction of a percent, it's less of a percent, and it's the right amount of percentage to work with for skin of color, the deeper skin tones, and also the people who are very reactive towards the higher concentrations of other ingredients, like sensitive skin type people. Then there is Palmaria palmata extract. Now this ingredient is not that popular. It's not known to a lot of industrial people so that they can make the formulations with, but this ingredient is not good for oily skin type. It is having a comedogenic rating of 3 to 4 out of 5, which means that it can clog pores. For the dry skin type, it can be useful as it targets towards the pigmentation reduction. It helps with the reduction in the melanin production, so it can improve the overall appearance, that glow on the face. Palmaria palmata extract is a type of an algae extract. It is high in antioxidant properties. All the plant-derived extract are high in antioxidant properties. They help with removal of free radicals from the skin and it helps with the premature aging. Then there is hyaluronic acid in a very fraction of a percent. It's very less of a percentage, excellent for humectant properties, helps with the reduction of dryness. Then there is tocopherol acetate. It is a type of vitamin E, also acting as an antioxidant. Looking at the formulation, it is formulated for the dry skin type, targeting the fine lines and premature aging, and also is excellent for the normal to dry skin type, that spectrum of the skincare. You cannot use it if you have like oily skin or combination skin because of certain ingredients that can lead to clogging of your pores. And the another thing that I noticed is the packaging. Usually when there is retinol into the formulation or there are antioxidants into the formulation, it should be in a light protectant bottle and it should be in a formulation of a pump. It cannot be a dropper bottle because the dropper bottle is always exposed to oxygen and it's always exposed to light that can reduce the shelf life of the antioxidants as well as retinol. But the packaging also matters the most when it comes to production of any skincare in the market, and they did a good job. Deconstructed did a good job in making this peptide and retinol serum. The retinol concentration is the minimal concentration, that is 0.2%. Adding a peptide with it makes it an anti-aging serum. In my perception, I really love this formulation. They did a very good job targeting normal to dry skin type who are facing premature aging. If you're new to retinol and you want to try this serum out, you can do that. But one thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to use it only at nighttime. You cannot use it at daytime. You should skip retinol in the daytime because it just leads to more darkening of the skin as it exposes the skin to the UV radiation. So it's just not a good idea to add retinol into your skincare routine in the morning time. It's good to use it at nighttime, and then if you are going in the morning exposing your skin to sun, make sure that you're having SPF 55 and plus sunscreen. It will have a proper protection against the UV radiation of the sun. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below or reach out to me on my Instagram handle. And thank you very much for watching again. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.